Based on a recent rumor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, also known as the Ultra, may be unveiled sooner than well-known source Ice Universe posted on Weibo that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim will be unveiled in October alongside the Samsung Galaxy Tabs 10 series, as expected. The piece also highlights the Samsung W25, which is Ice Universe has revealed more information about the gadget even though it is supposed to be the Chinese variation of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. With its 19.5:9 aspect ratio, it will resemble the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I at home managed to find this material in a deleted web post. The Elect also notes that the Z Fold 6 Slim will feature a 6.5-inch external and an 8-inch internal screen, along with the Samsung Galaxy S25. This isn't the first time we have heard regarding a probable release date for the Z Fold 6 Slim. Display specialist Ross Young had already mentioned the phone would come out in early 2025. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim won't feature a digitizer, which means it won't support the S Pen, he also said, but this makes the phone far smaller than other Samsung Folds. A less costly variant known as the Galaxy Z Fold Fan Edition was under development, supposedly costing less than the $1,899 Z Fold 6. Reports, however, point to Samsung having shelved this project. Though it could have to sacrifice more features, the small variant would probably be less expensive than the main one. Though it wasn't addressed during Galaxy Unpacked, it appears odd for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim to emerge in 2024, as there are two alternative ideas on when it will be unveiled. According to a number of recently discovered fresh sources worldwide, Samsung is still developing a slimmer Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant known as the Q6A. Although previous claims said Samsung had ceased creating this phone, the presence of test software indicates they are still working on it based on the reports producing the Q6A going to be a significant problem. According to the Korea Economic Daily, Tim Rowe, the CEO of Samsung, instructed the engineers to create a phone with a thickness of just 7.7 millimeters and weight less than 239 grams. The Q6 would be thinner than both the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is 8.6 millimeters thick, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is 12.1 millimeters thick when closed. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.